Toyota Corolla Apex has a more aggressive look thanks to its sharper lights, black grille with honeycomb motif and gold accents on the DRL cover which form the corner of the box. The new coil springs are lowered by 0.6 inches, so this car is flatter than other versions, and adds to the sportiness. Toyota Corolla with the Apex Sport Kit package will be made limited to 6,000 units, while the manual transmission is only 120 units. Viewed from the side, the Toyota Corolla Apex also has a sportier sideksirt. Appearance is also supported thanks to the use of 18-inch 8-inch rims wrapped in 225/40 Dunlop SP tires. Toyota Corolla Apex Edition 2021 has a special black kit with bronze accents, front spoiler, fog light covers, rear diffuser, and side moldings, while the rear spoiler is only an option.